Hi, I'm Tejaswi. Now I'm here to present a topic on artificial intelligence. Have you ever thought how the notifications will come to your phone? And have you ever thought how the recommendations related to your favorite product will come to your phone? And have you ever thought how the notifications and also these recommendations and also the weather report will be telecasted to your phone? So the answer is artificial intelligence. Yes, it's true. Artificial intelligence know you better than you know yourself. So first of all, artificial intelligence means artificial, which is not real. Intelligence means the knowledge. So artificial intelligence is the stimulation of the knowledge into the machines is called artificial intelligence. And also I want to share some of the applications of this. And first is artificial intelligence in smartphone. And the first thing, we use daily smartphone, but we don't recognize that we are using the artificial intelligence. And examples of this is Google Assistant and Siri, where these uses the natural language processing and also the speak recognition as AI technology, and where you can just hold the phone and just ask for any queries and also questions. It will give the output and where you can ask like, hey Google, please open the YouTube, then it opens you the YouTube interface, and like that, hey Siri, please call to my friend Kavya, then it calls to the Kavya. Like this you are utilizing it, but you are not recognizing that it is AI. And one of next application is AI in robotics, where we heard about the Sophia, where it is a noble robot, and that is just look like the man, and just it starts answering to the all kinds of questions, where it is a humanoid robo, and also where it just answers to all your queries, and it gives the interviews, where it is designed for the education, research, and also entertainment purpose. And next sector is AI in smart cars. Yes friends, you know about the Tesla car, where it is one of the famous and also leading car nowadays. It is also using the AI, where it uses the AI chip, and you just sit inside the car and just tell the destination point, it starts self-driving. So it is called as the autopilot, autonomous car, and also a self-driving car. And next sector is AI in navigation and travel. Here comes our favorite application, Google Maps. We are daily using it, but we don't know that it is from AI. It is also uses the AI in like speak recognition, where you just mention the location to where you have to reach, then it shows you a shortest path and also a best path. And if you deviate from that path, it shows you the another path, because AI, through this AI algorithms, it calculates and shows you the another path. And through the visual through this AI, you can also experiences the visuals around the Google Maps in your location. And another sector is healthcare. In this healthcare, we are having the applications has the surgical robots. These surgical robots do the surgeries without the doctor also, and where they take the analysis through the reports of the patient, and they mark the diseased place or defected area, and they start the doing operations without even the doctors, just because instructions. And there are the another kind of robots in sectors are assistant robots. These are the assistant to the doctors, and just if the doctor will specify, then only they will do the operations. And the another sector is business and finance. In this business and finance, there is a new application, and also you don't know that it is IBM's Watson, where it is one of the leading application in business and finance sector. Just it looks like a supercomputer, and you can sit before the supercomputer and just ask some queries related to the loans, business, etc. For example, and you can sit before that IBM's Watson and ask anything like, for example, I am starting a startup, and and so I want many queries in my mind, just so that I can sit before that IBM's Western and start questioning to that machine, is my business is feasible to this loan, or should I take the extra loan, and all these types of questions can be asked to that. And so that as it is a machine, it can give the feasible and also quick answers to our questions. And another sector is manufacturing. It is one of the major trend in present world, and where here the manufacturing robots and industrial robots are working sector. It does all the work without the man in the industry, just like by giving an instruction, it do all the things like manufacturing in 24/7. And these are how the applications are like in our daily life. At present, there is a current trending news that we heard about the chatbots, I think, and the Facebook Messenger has two chatbots. These two chatbots are interacting with each other with the different language by using the English words. So how the world is going to be, it is ridiculous. And so at the man and the artificial intelligence and the robots are working simultaneously and nowadays, but in a future we can't even imagine, because as I said, this situation, even the scientists and the developers are shocked by watching that. And so that we can't even imagine the how world of artificial intelligence will grow in the future. But I conclude that artificial intelligence is the one of the important weapon for the upcoming technology. Thank you and have a nice day.